Working smoke alarms save lives, cutting the risk of dying in a home fire in half. Here's what you need to know about smoke alarm safety. Install smoke alarms in every bedroom, outside each separate sleeping area, and on every level of the home, including the basement. Smoke alarms and alert devices are available to meet the needs of people who are deaf. For example, when the smoke alarm sounds, special strobe lights flash to alert people to a possible fire. When people who are deaf are asleep, a pillow shaker along with high-intensity strobe lights can be used to wake them. Remember, if you are deaf, feel the shake. You must wake. Learn more about smoke alarm safety at the NFPA website at www.nfpa.org/smoke alarms.